It's visible.
Okay. So basically, we have a multiple like Zoho app. So inside that, we have the importing or exporting functionality inside the Zoho products. Some we have that functionality, other we can do with the help of API and all. So all the module I am not written in the Excel, but some of the module structure or step I'll just mention in that. So as per that, we can like find for other platform also. So now first we are just go with the Zoho CRM. So importing and exporting part. So let's open the Zoho CRM. Okay. So I think I'll already uh, give you some brief about how we are just uploading our data with the help of Excel. So now this is the lead module. There is a three like features. Basically we can upload the data. The first option we can create manually by clicking off this button. Second part we can import in the Excel format. The third we can like integrate with the help of API or third platform, and that lead is going to be created automatically. So now here I'll just upload some sample file. So this is the sample file. You can download from here also. We Zoho support XLS, XLSX, and this CSV file. So there's some option we have. At a single time we can upload 5,000 record. If you want to upload more than 5,000, you need to create a multiple Excel. Now we have one sample file. Let's check that sample file. So this is the sample file. Here 3 record is available. So if you want to update any record through the Excel, so you can just download the sample Excel and you can fulfill the requirement. Whatever the mandatory fields is available in that module, you can simply go through uh, from here. So I'll show you in the lead. If you just click in the lead, so like company and last name is the mandatory field. So it's need to be fulfilled by the help of Excel. You are just adding the lead manually if you are creating, or with the help of API. Any trick you can just use. You need to fulfill this both of the field. Now, if we have that Excel, so we are just updating the company name and the first name. So I'll just put it test one another name. So this I'll just put it. Now we will try to import this Excel. So basically the three values is already available. One test new record we are just creating now inside the Excel with the help of Excel in the lead module. So basically the same sample file I'll just add it, and now I'll try to import just lead, import lead, select that Excel, that sample Excel which we have download, or not necessary, we are just like going change in the same sample Excel, we can manage like separately, and the same Excel we can upload. For example, you can just take it, go through with the sample Excel, whatever mandatory field, how we are just entering the data, is this date field or anything. So you can just go through with that Excel. Now simply you can just click on next. It is asking for three condition. You want to create a new lead, update existing lead only, or both of. In the both, what is happening, new if record is not available, it's going to be create a new lead. If available, it is going to be update that same record. Whenever you are just selecting a both, there is an option you need to be select any lead ID or mail ID. Behalf of that field, they are just going to be checking that lead is available inside that or not. So you need to be like add this field. Another is update existing lead. So the same thing is for update. If you want to update, so against any unique ID or any mail ID, you need to be update record, so you can update. Add a new lead. There is no basically criteria because we are creating a new lead inside the lead module, so there is nothing needed from their side. So simply we can create, click on next. Some field is automatically going to be map because we are just export a same Excel. That's why the header is same. If you have different header, you can select like this is the CRM field, this is the Excel field. So whatever field we have inside the Excel, this you can see here, and whatever field available in the CRM, you can just map with this. Sorry. So this mapping you need to be done. So like map field it's showing 33, unmap is 23. 23 is unmap field which is available in the Excel but not in the CRM because this sum module is auto generated field. Like this is created by is as per the time or lead creation it's going to be updated, like with the help of system is going to be updated. So that's why it in the CRM default is not available. After the submitting record, it's going to be fill that field and update that field automatically. Now that's all the mapping we have done. Now just click in next. This is showing like 23 is not map, and are you sure want to continue mapping? Yes, we can. So if we have any workflow inside that or any condition, any function we are just writing or we want to trigger anything which we have just update inside the CRM, so we can trigger that. But right now we don't have anything, so we can push it. Now basically previously we have minimum lead. Now the lead is going to be created. It's showing it will take 2 to 3 seconds. After that notification is going to be update here, so we can just wait. After updating we can check whatever new record is updated or having any issue like this way. So its lead imported successfully, please refer. So now we are just checking. So 5 record is created successfully, and this now right now 8 record is available in the system. Now we can just refresh. That test record is also created by the, so for that test record we can check it. So now 12 record is there. Previously we have 8 records, now there is 12 record. The test record which we have created from the Excel, it's automatically there. So this is the Excel import part. Now if I just want to export the data, so suppose I'll select this. I just want to select like export all the data. So like there is 12 records. Simply you just click in the wait a minute. This. So all the lead we can upload without selection. So there is a view option also. So let's see, there is a custom view is all lead. So if I just want to change as per any criteria, I just want to export the data to that also we can able to do. So field from custom view, if we want all the field or we want a custom field. So right now custom view is available, so we can just go with that. So now export this. Whenever you are just exporting this, so directly it's not coming into your system. The I think mail is also trigger. I with this mail ID, I think Pawan mail ID is there. So Pawan get a mail for exporting. If we set up, I think default also they are just enable that thing. So after this we are just exporting. So with the help of mail we can upload that Excel. Other option we have one pop-up or notification is there, export. After that pop-up, we are just move into the export here, and whatever current export we have done, so this is still in progress. Whenever is done, notification is generated, pop-up, you can see the pop-up there, and simply you can just download. So we need to wait. Let's refresh. Reminder. After it is done, we can download that record. Download option is enabled. So this option is available for CRM. Like this way, we are just importing or exporting the data. Same thing if we want to do the same thing with other module like lead contact account deal or any other module, same kind of activity we need to be performed, because every module have their this drop down, and you can import with the help of Excel. If you want to export, just click in on action, export button is there, you can export that data also. So like this way you can perform this activity and done this thing. This is one thing. Yeah. So this is for the CRM basically. So this we covered for that. Now same kind of activity we need to perform with the creator. So in the creator also we need to create a creator app, go to the data and import option. Upload option is also there. You can in the starting there is a option for upload. You can upload easily. I think whenever you are creating a form, so there is a three option you can upload by the help of Excel upload you want to create, you can do. If you have already any form or data, you can do with that, or fresh form also you can create. From the library also, you can just select the any form, you can uh, use that same form also. So like this way we can create in the creator. I think creator you know, because Gaushalya update you that import part. If we are talking about the data importing, so the same kind of that button there, you can simply select the data or view, you can import the data. And after that importing into analytics, I think in the analytics I'll show you in the last day, last training. So let's open. Okay, it's done now. We can see this Excel, we can download from here. So it's complete now. Download option is enabled. Directly it's going to be download the zip file. We can like extract the zip file and see the data. Now, okay, I'll show you. So this lead module is there, and this is the record. 12, 13, 12 record is there. One is the header. Okay, so like this way you can download. So now we can see in the analytics how we are just done the same thing in the analytics. So first thing, whenever we are integrate with any Zoho platform with the analytics, so this is the one way you can create a data or the reports. And the another thing, whenever I'll just go data source, uh, okay, just a minute. If you want to download the report, so there is simply you can download. There is no like big or multiple steps. So if we want to import the data, we can simply click import data. There is a lot of option. We can simply import with the help of Excel integration or any feature you want to use. You can use and import the data and create a multiple report. After that creating, if you create any report and if you want to download that data, the filter data or whatever filter you are using, if you want to download, you can just simply, you have multi, there is the export option. So as a CSV, Excel, PDF, HTML or anything, if you want to, you can select any option and download that file. So I'll just select as a CSV. Lead data, whatever field you want, you can just select it. Other you can see. If you do not want a lot of fields, so this is the lead data. So we have 11 data, 10 data basically, because I think previously 10 data is syncing or whatever data is syncing in with the analytics, I think that data is reflecting. So the 10 data is available. So successfully we can export that data from the analytics. If we want to import, so we can import from there. So from here we can import the data. So we have multiple options. So like this way we have like analytics. I'll just uploaded there. Step also I'll just uploaded here. Other in the Zoho book and inventory. So same kind of step is available for Zoho book and inventory. So we can open the books. I think books we are not unable right now. Let's enable. I think Power, you can like open all the product for Zoho one.
Yeah,
So
okay.
you can easy like got the points and all. Just go through for all the product, what kind of product structure we have.
Yeah, okay.
There is like next, you can just click on next, and guide is also available. You can just like whenever you are just log in this, there is a guide option is also there. So you can just go through like what kind of uh, words they are using. Like in the books we have some accounting purpose, like in all the apps you can see the sales order, quotation, purchase order and these information. Almost lot of apps is there. Just a minute. So most of the app we have the same thing, but the processes may be different. Like in the CRM we are just managing for sale purpose, or if we are talking about the books, so we are just tracking as per the accounting purpose. But terms is going to be same. The purpose is going to be changed. So you need to go through with that also. So just go through whatever is available just for like a tour. You can just check all the product which is available in the Zoho one. Okay, now we are just importing and exporting part. So there is a customer. So if we have the customer Excel, so simply we can upload it here. So we just download the sample and try to upload the same Excel. So simply it's going to be uploaded. Just next, just map the same field, click on next. So you can see here record of skip, 0 record is skip, 21 is unmapped, customer is ready to import. Three customer is going to be import because in the sample only three data is available. So right now there is no data, but now you can see there is three data. So like this way you can import. The same way we have the export part, you can export the customer. This is the view. So I think export and import option you can easily see in the particular report or module. Whatever we have the list view, you can select and import somewhere. Somewhere we have the option that you can just select and import that record only. Like there is no. And mostly we have this export option. So you can export as per whatever option is available. Import, you can import it. So whatever view you are just seeing, every view have this action or three dot button, you can export or import. Like in the CRM also you can see there is the action button. So with that action, action, you can just export the lead, or if you want to import, we can import from it. So all the product have same like functionality, but maybe this button is have different name, or that export have the different processor, but the process is same. But the only the detail view you can able to see that export button. So like exporting external system with the help of API integration, you can export with this. This some module is support REST API. Some more also is available, but whatever I have like work, so some product I'll just mention here. The external system also we can, as previously I'll update that thing, that with the help of API we can add the like add the record inside the CRM people or recruiter anyone, or like with the help of Excel with the third party or with whatever platform you have just made core. So with that also you can integrate and just create record inside that also. If you want to export that data, so simply with the help of API also you can export like monthly, yearly, that we can able to do. So we have this some platform where we can easily able to integrate with the help of API. Like previously I'll show like I think in previous day training I'll update you like the Zoho Flow we have the integration middleware kind of. Like the Zapier also we have same kind of platform. Zoho have the Zoho Flow. It is kind of middleware. We can integrate the third party application with the Zoho with the help of Zoho Flow, Zapier. So these is the other is custom API. You can just create any platform like Java, Node, Python, anyone. So directly you can call the API and update the records. And if we you want a Zoho REST API, so we have the Zoho integration document or in the Deluge language. So with that Deluge language, using the help of like using Deluge scripting and language, you can integrate any other platform also with inside the Zoho. So it's up to you how you are just want to proceed with this. Is there any doubt or issue till now?
No, ma'am.
Have you got how we are importing or exporting the data and what is the like this is there is a very like use cases also there, because if you want to do the analysis of data, then the major part we are just doing the analysis of data. That's why they are just exporting all the data and try to find with the Excel or with the help of analytics. So now for days, they want to integrate with the analytics rather than exporting in the Excel and try to like analyze by their own self. So that's why they all are using the analytics. But maybe there is other reason. If they want to data migration or want to move with any other platform, then also they are just exporting a data and importing a data. So these are different way why we are just going to do these activity and client want to like importing or exporting the data. So in the data migration part, this is very helpful because we have some kind of middleware for data migration, but most of the reason we are just preferring the Excel, because with the help of Excel we can maintain the unique key and everything. So one of the reason we are just preferring the Excel. So I think that's you got the thing basically. Is there any doubt previous whatever we have just learned with that also? If you have any questions, so you can just raise me, so we can just take a session on that also. I just gave today. We are just going to be okay, okay. I think today I'm not going to like cover these points. You have some surprise questions. I'll skip. No issue. Next time, it's a surprise going to be. Okay. So tell me, is there any question? Shreya, Pavan,
Yeah, like how to related API related question, like you use the Deluge script to write integration, to perform
mm-hmm.
integration, like
So the integration, actually
how
we
to
are not.
import and export
Mm-hmm.
code operation,
Okay, so that
like
part
code operations,
we
like
okay, I got your point. So basically, whenever we are just learn about the API integration, then you can automatically cover this thing. So whenever
yeah,
we start the integration part, then I'll explain that part. So right now it's kind of theoretical for you, but just got that point. So for future training, it may be going to be covered automatically.
yeah, okay,
Okay. Because API we have like maximum step we have. So whenever we are just start doing the API integration, because for the integration we need to do the authentication authorization.
yeah, yeah,
So that's why right now if we are just take that session, so it may be going a very long. So right now I'll just take the brief introduction. Whenever we start the API integration, then you can easily able to understand every point. Okay. So how many product you have just go through? Anyone? Is there any count or
like
stray?
what
Mm-hmm.
like Zoho product you are asking.
Yeah, Zoho product, just like Zoho CRM, recruiter, people.
Yeah, I practiced Zoho data prep actually,
Zoho?
data prep.
Okay. Well, that's I think pipeline.
Yeah, yeah, pipeline.
Mm, okay. Hmm.
Yeah, also perform like importing, exporting data over there.
Hmm. Actually, whatever we are just done till now, it's kind of theoretical because we are not start the function writing workflow and all. Right now, we are just go through whatever is default available. For that, you are not going to write any script, function, or anything. So it's kind of the customize, not the customization, default system with whatever we are seen in the system. So if you are just go through with yourself, because I'll cover that session slowly, slowly. But before that, if you just go through by yourself, so I think that is great because if you covered like before, I'm just giving that training. So I think you have lot of questions um, in the training session. So you can on that time you can ask so we can resolve that also.
Yeah,
Hmm.
okay.
Hmm. Just like whenever we are just entering the particular system. Okay, I'll show you one thing. Actually, we have some training session like already. So I'm just go with fast like this way. I think after this week, or after this basic point, we are just like in this we can see the Zoho CRM customization. Then you can able to start the customization and all the training parts. So like this way we are just moving forward. So I think as whatever we are just know about the CRM, so you can just go through because CRM is the major, not the major, like more almost usable products. If we know about the Zoho CRM, so I think 50 to 60% you know the other platform also. So that's why I'm just focusing on the CRM. So whatever functional customization, the function writing and all. So if we are just covered in the CRM, so recruiter people and the some other platform also, you can easily able to understand. Simply you can just go in the setting. So whatever functionality is there, if I'll just show you the Zoho recruiter and just access. I think this we are not. Start. So I'll just add it in the. So if I'll just click in the setting, oh, that is also going to be changed. So see, in the journal there is a personal setting, company setting, calendar. If you see the personal setting, company setting, calendar, so some is already available in other user module, user module template. So in the customization module, in this template we have workflow action, template, email. So everything is similar. Workflow action, blueprint, marketplace, the data migration export. Right now we are just done this. So almost things is same. So if you cover the CRM, because CRM we have the maximum functionality. So if you are covered these all the things, so it is very easy to cover this. That's why I'm just preferring the CRM. The creator is very different product. Analytics is have a very different product. But like similar kind of CRM, we have a multiple product like recruiter. People is also same kind of. So with this, you can cover minimum like maximum number of products. So that's why I'm just like going very deep inside the CRM, so you can easily understand other product. Is there any doubt till now, or any question if you want to know?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Let me start. Okay.